Okay, very good. Okay, so kalau ada kawan nak join halfway, also can. Kamu boleh invite mereka. Alright. Okay, so today we will mainly talk on combination. Kita akan bincang banyak pasal gabungan. Okay, so before we enter combination, sebelum kita masuk gabungan, kita akan lihat beberapa soalan tentang pilih atur dulu. Okay, permutation question. Okay, so guys, can you all see question number 5? Soalan 5. Okay, so the question I help for those in English. Yang ambil DLP, I'll help to translate. So basically, the question is to find the number of ways the letters from Baku and Baka can be arranged if there is no repetition. Okay, this one is a keyword, guys. No repetition. Tiada pengulangan. Okay, so this is keyword. And they want to ask, is the number of letters form same or not for English? Okay, so the first part is you must find how many letters, how many ways we can arrange the letter in Baku and Baka if we allow repetition. Kita benarkan pengulangan. Okay, so guys, for this word, yang ni dulu, Baku. Okay, so Baku, berapa cara kita ada, guys? How many ways we have to arrange the word Baku? Cuba komen. Berapa cara kita boleh susun yang ni? Yes? Sekali lagi. What is the number of ways, guys? Berapa cara untuk Baku? Cuba komen. Yang ni tanpa pengulangan tau. Without repetition. So kamu kena take note yang ni. Okay, tiada pengulangan. So berapa cara, guys? Cuba bagi tahu. Hello guys. Berapa cara kita boleh susun? Okay, very good. Okay, so why 24? Okay, so basically 4 factorial. Okay? Yes, very good. Okay, 4 factorial, guys. Okay, so why we use 4 factorial is because they say without repetition. Tiada pengulangan. Okay, so basically when no repetition, we can use the symbol of factorial. Bila kamu nampak perkataan tak ada pengulangan tu kan, terus letak simbol factorial. Okay, because if you imagine the situation, kamu bayangkan 4 huruf. Okay, so guys, posisi yang pertama, yang ni, berapa huruf saya boleh letak? How many letter I can put, guys, from the word Baku in the first position? Total, how many letter?
4.
Yes, very good. Okay, total you can actually put 4 letter. Okay, how about the second position, guys? This one?
3.
Very good. Okay, because they say no repetition. No repetition means that the value is going to decrease by 1. Okay, nilai dia akan berkurang 1. So that's why you have 3. Okay, so you follow to 1. Just continue to decrease by 1. So you times all of this. Okay, kamu darab semua yang ni. So you will get the answer of 4 factorial, which is 24. Okay, so you can either write 4 factorial or you can write as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Both of it is the same meaning. Dua-dua membawa maksud sama. Alright, so yeah, that is the number of way for Baku. Okay, so how about Baka, guys? This word, B-A-K-A. So how many ways I can arrange? Berapa cara saya boleh susun? This one you must be careful a bit. Hati-hati for this word. Very good. Okay, you never fall into the trap. Correct. Okay, because you all notice there are 2 similar letter. Okay, dua huruf yang semacam. So means that you will do like this. 4 total letter divided by 2 repeating. Letter A. Okay, huruf A tu berulang 2 kali. So that's why 2 factorial. Okay, so the answer is 12. Okay, so guys, Now they ask you to compare and see, are the number of ways to form these two words same or different? Just now, this one we got is 24. Okay, so pasti tak sama lah bilangan cara. Yang ni ganda dua daripada yang kedua. Okay, so maksudnya kenapa ada beza? Why is there difference? Because of the repeating word. Okay, ada huruf yang berulang, yaitu huruf A. So that is why this one is less than half. Kurang daripada setengah berbanding dengan perkataan baku. Okay, can you all understand, guys? Boleh dapat for the question number 5? Okay, so this question quite easy lah, sedikit senang. Okay, you all should be able to do, not that difficult yet. Okay, so now you all see question 6 and see. Okay, guys, if you got trial question, soalan percubaan, have you all seen this type of question, guys? Pernah nampak tak soalan macam ni? Yes or no? This
Yes,
type of
yes.
question. Got right? This one got come out in one of the state trial before. Salah satu soalan percubaan. I forget which negeri already, but I think is SBP or MRSM. Okay, either one. Maybe in 2023, if not mistaken. Okay, so they actually just copy paste the exact format of question from textbook. Okay, soalan ni sebenarnya dari buku teks tau guys. So soalan ni keluar dalam trial one of the state 2023. So guys, that's why I say soalan buku teks very important. Example is this type of question. It come out in trial already for the last year. Okay, soalan percubaan. So mereka ambil terus dari buku teks. Okay, so that's why we discuss buku teks question also. It's quite important. Okay, so the question is basically to find the number of ways an object can move from A to B if it can only move up or to the right. Okay, hanya boleh bergerak atas atau kanan sahaja. Okay, got only two conditions, atas and kanan. So how do we do this, guys? Macam mana kita boleh selesaikan soalan ni? Anyone? How do I get from this position A until B? So what is the method I must use? Anyone? Macam mana saya boleh selesaikan? Saya nak gerak dari A ke B, lepas tu saya nak tahu bilangan cara saya boleh gerak. Kalau saya hanya boleh gerak ke kanan dan ke atas. Okay, Wong Jajet, 5 factorial. You mean times, right? Is your meaning times? Because got no symbol. Okay, times. Okay, so you're halfway there, Adi. Halfway correct, but not totally correct. Okay, so one more thing you miss out. So anyone, can you help? What is the remaining part that she missed out? Halfway correct, Adi. So they want you to find the total way to go from A to B. So anyone can think of the answer? Or you can give me final answer also can. Boleh bagi jawapan akhir kalau dah kira. Jolene, this one is permutation and combination. We're not doing vector, you know. I think you're confused already. This is permutation and combination. Although the question look like vector, it's not vector actually. Okay, so yeah. Bilangan kotak, okay, correct. So how many kotak, guys, kita lalui from A until B? How many box are we crossing actually? Can anyone tell me? Yes, that is the missing information. Okay, 8. So means that we must do 8 factorial. Okay, sebab kita boleh gerak macam ni. We move like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the right, 5 ke kanan, and also ke atas kamu ada 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so guys, is 8 factorial our only answer? What do you all think? Adakah 8 factorial jawapan kita sahaja? So now you all must think and see. Okay, So now what we must do is, okay, you all check and see. Okay, you see this. Okay guys, when I'm moving to the right, bila saya bergerak ke kanan, and when I'm moving up, bila bergerak ke atas, dia adalah benda serupa. Betul? They are similar object. Okay, that's why we need to divide 5 factorial for moving 5 unit to the right, and also 3 factorial for moving 3 unit upward. Okay, sebab arah sama kita akan anggap sebagai semacam. So that's why kita kena bahagi dengan 5 factorial untuk yang pergi ke kanan dan 3 factorial untuk yang pergi ke atas. Boleh faham guys? Can you all understand? So the answer you will get is 56. Okay? Clear on it? So basically, when you're moving in the same direction, you always divide the similar object. Okay, bahagi objek yang sama. So kat sini kita ada 5. So that's why kita bahagi 5. Okay? Can you all understand guys? Boleh dapat untuk soalan ni? Clear? So the answer is 56. Okay? So we go next question soalan berikutnya. Okay. So now we got 7 kids, 6 chair. Okay. So they ask you how many ways I can arrange these kids in a circle. Okay. And also in anti-clockwise direction. Lawan arah jam. Okay. So how do we solve this guys? Formula apa kita kena guna untuk soalan ni? What is the formula? You all can think. So anyone? N factorial over n. Okay. If you say n factorial, right? It is not complete. Okay, because the question actually say this. You got 6 chair. Am I right? And you got total 7 people. So can 6 chair fit 7 people guys? Adakah 6 kerusi boleh muat 7 orang? Not logic lah. Unless one person sit on the other person. Kalau seorang tu duduk di atas orang tu, maka kita hanya akan ada 6 kerusi lah. Tapi ini tak logik kan. Okay, macam mana orang tu boleh duduk atas orang lain? Okay, itu dah salah dah. Okay, dari segi matematik dan juga dari segi moral. Okay, mungkin moral lah. Saya tak tahu perkataan tepat. Dari segi adab lah. Okay, matematik salah, adab pun salah. Okay, everything is wrong. Okay, so we cannot do like that. Okay, tak boleh. So means that we have to use the symbol of R. We have to select. Kita kena pilih. Okay, so we got 2 answer here. NPR over R and also NPR over 2R. Okay, so macam mana kita tahu yang mana betul? Which one is correct? Okay, so basically the question say that kita kena ikut satu arah sahaja. Only one direction. So means that kita akan guna rumus NPR divide R. Because only one direction. Satu arah sahaja. Kalau 2 arah, bahagi 2 R. Can you all understand guys? So they already specify here one direction only. Okay? So that's why the formula is NPR bahagi dengan R sahaja. Okay? Are you all clear guys? So the answer is this one. 840. N sama dengan 7, R sama dengan 6. Okay? So yeah, this is the brief recap on permutation. Okay, so now we all will enter the combination, gabungan. Okay, so about combination, usually combination easier to do than permutation. Lebih senang yang ni, gabungan. Because we no need to consider the arrangement. Kita tak perlu lihat susunan dia. Okay, so you can see this example of tree diagram. Okay, gambar raja pokok. Okay, so guys, if you see over here, right, berapa gabungan kamu ada dalam raja ni? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? How many different combination we have to form a pair? 2 orang. Anyone? How many combination we have? Berapa gabungan? If you just see the diagram itself, you know. So the
3.
answer is, are you sure 3 only? Yes,
6.
6, correct. Okay, we refer over here, this one. Okay, so the answer is 6. Okay, but now let's say I change the question. Saya tukar soalan. I want the number of permutation, bilangan pilih atur dari wajah ni. Adakah masih 6? Is my answer still 6? Yes or no? Very good.
No,
So you
no.
so you understand the difference between permutation and also combination. So berapa pilih atur kita ada kat sini, guys? How many permutation we have? 3 saja, bukan? Pilih atur, guys. Bilangan pilih atur. How many permutation we have based on the diagram? Yes, Atikah betul. Correct? Because each pair, they can switch position. Correct? Antara ni, dia boleh tukar kedudukan. So, sebenarnya 2 cara. So, 2 kali dengan 6. Sebab ada 6 pasangan. So, jawapan dia 12. Okay, guys? Are you all clear? So, permutation for this question is equal to 12. Combination is 6. Boleh faham, guys? Why is it different? Because arrangement important. Okay, untuk pilih atur, susunan penting. So that is the reason. So always remember, guys, untuk pilih atur, nilai dia akan selalu lebih tinggi berbanding dengan gabungan. Permutation definitely higher than combination. Confirm. Okay? So yeah. Okay, so this is what is being explained here. So in combination, Akif dan Wong sama dengan Wong dan Akif. Okay, so kita lihat bilangan cara sahaja. How many ways? So that's why this whole thing is counted as one way only. Satu cara. This whole thing is counted as one way. This is also one way. Okay? So, boleh dapat, guys? Yes, 3 ways. Okay? So, yeah. All right. So guys, let us see this question. Okay, so you have to say that is this permutation or combination? Okay, adakah ini pilih atur atau gabungan? Okay guys. So they say got a television station to choose 7 channel from 18 different channel. So is this a permutation question or combination question? What do you all think? Pilih atur atau gabungan? Yang ni. Very good. Okay, so why you say combination? What is the reason? Sebab you always identify the keyword. Okay, kamu lihat kata kunci. Apa yang bagi kamu tahu itu adalah gabungan. Correct. We have to choose. Okay, kita kena pilih. This is the keyword, guys. Memilih. Okay, in English is choose. So keyword for combination. Okay, for English lah. Combination start with letter C, right, guys? For those take DLP, C. So C, you think of choose. Choose also start with letter C. Okay? Or another keyword is select. Select also usually for combination. Okay? Memilih itu adalah gabungan. Jangan salah faham untuk yang BM, jangan ingat memilih tu adalah untuk pilih atur. Sebab perkataan sama kan, pilih atur dan memilih. Tapi tak. Okay, untuk yang ambil BM, dia totally opposite. Okay, so kamu kena take note yang tu. Jangan tengok memilih, oh pilih atur. Salah. Okay, kena lihat situasi soalan dulu. Okay, you have to see your situation. Okay, so yeah. So the answer is gabungan because there is no arrangement is not important. Okay, so you can choose the 7 saluran in any way you like. Okay, so the arrangement is not important at all. Okay, clear guys? How to identify your combination, gabungan? Sampai sekarang ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya? Any question you have? Like not clear, tak jelas atau apa-apa? Untuk semua orang kat sini? All clear? 100% clear? Okay, so kalau clear, kita go on. If got question, you just ask in the chat box only. Okay? All right. So we go and see the formula first. Okay, guys. So for combination, this is your formula. Rumus untuk gabungan. Okay, guys. Can anyone tell me what is the major difference in this formula compared to permutation? Apa yang berbeza rumus ni berbanding dengan rumus pilih atau? Siapa boleh nampak? Apa yang menyebabkan dia berbeza? Sebab dia nampak sama kan, rumus pilih atau dan gabungan. Tapi apa yang berbeza kat sini? Siapa tahu? Very good. Okay, this one. Yang ni, R factorial. Okay, so yang ni sahaja adalah rumus pilih atau. Betul? Okay, the orange one is permutation. But when you add R factorial, bila tambah yang ni, dia jadi gabungan. It become combination. So guys, do you all know why combination value is lower than permutation? Ada logik kan? Kenapa gabungan ni nilai dia selalu lebih rendah berbanding pilih atau? Sebab kamu kena bahagi dengan R factorial. So tak kira apa-apa soalan pun, nilai dia pasti lebih rendah untuk gabungan berbanding dengan pilih atau. Sebab rumus dah macam ni. Okay, the formula is like this already. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so basically in exam, dalam peperiksaan, tak perlu tulislah rumus ni. Let's say they ask you 8C3. Okay guys, 8C3. Perlu tak saya gantikan satu persatu dalam rumus, lepas tu kira nilai? Yes or no? Do I need to like sub into the formula then get the answer? No need, right? Tak perlu kan? Kamu terus tekan calculator, dapat jawapan. Yes. Okay, so no need to write out the formula. Tak perlu. Melainkan soalan suruh selesaikan persamaan. If the question asks you to solve equation, then yes, you must write the formula. Okay? So yeah. Okay, so we see this question. Okay, so basically they say got 8 students and they say 2 people will be chosen to represent their team. So how many ways, guys? Very simple, this question. So what is the answer? Total 8, choose 2. So jadi jawapan dia berapa? Untuk yang ni. Boleh terus tekan calculator. So anyone? Can you tell the answer for this one? Jolene, how do you get 56? You use P, yeah? Oh, okay, I get it already. You accidentally use P. Okay, now we're talking combination. So it's 8C2. Okay, so the answer is 28. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so how you identify this is combination? Okay, let's say you're doing the exam sekarang. Kamu buat peperiksaan. Soalan takkan bagi tahu ini adalah soalan gabungan. Betul? Kamu kena identify kata kunci dalam soalan. So what is the keyword, guys, that tell you this is combination? Apa kata kunci dia? Very good. Memilih. Okay, this is the keyword that tell you this is combination. Choose or select in English. Okay, very good. So the answer is 8C2. Okay, so in exam, you can direct write the answer lah. Tak perlu tunjuk semua yang ni. No need. Okay. Usually the question won't be as simple as this. Dia takkan semudah macam ni. It's more complex. Okay. So you can see this question. Okay, so they say that 10 calon, kamu pilih 3. So how many ways, guys? This question. This one also very easy. Sangat senang. So apa jawapan dia? These 2 question is warm up. Warm up dulu sebelum soalan susah. Very good. 120. So just 10C3 equal to 120. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, so we see a tougher question now. Okay, guys. So now they ask you how many triangle can be formed from the vertex of a hexagon. Okay, this question hard, right? Lebih susah kan yang ni. So this one you need to imagine a bit. Okay, so hexagon. How many side, guys? Berapa sisi untuk hexagon? Okay, very good. 6. So kamu boleh lukis lah sebenarnya untuk tahu. Okay, so hexagon is something like this. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. I think this is regular lah. Ini adalah hexagon sekata. Okay, so all the side are the same. Okay, so 6 side. Okay, so they ask you how many triangle. Okay, guys, triangle. Berapa vertex kita ada untuk segitiga? How many vertices we have for a triangle? Very good. 3. So means that logic, kamu ada 6 bucu untuk hexagon, 6 vertices. You want to form a triangle, got 3 vertices. So the answer is 6C3. Okay, guys? Yes. Very simple only. Sangat senang. Okay? So the answer is 6C3. Okay. So now maybe some of you will ask me, why is it we cannot use permutation? Why is it not 6P3? Kenapa yang ni tak boleh? Siapa tahu jawapan dia? Kenapa tak boleh 6P3 untuk soalan ni? Cuba fikir. Sebab soalan tak bagi tahu apa-apa kunci. Very good. Okay, yes. Permutation adalah susunan. Okay, that is one reason. Satu sebab. Okay, so one more reason is kamu boleh lihat bentuk hexagon. Okay, so this is hexagon, right? Kamu semua perasan tak? Do you all notice this is symmetry? Bahagian ni adalah symmetry dengan bahagian ni. Betul? It's exactly the same. So is the arrangement important, guys? Susunan dia tak penting kan? Sebab dia 100% the same. Left and right. So that's why kita guna gabungan. Combination. Because it's exactly the same. Macam pantulan di atas paksi ni. It's like a reflection. Okay? So that's why we direct use combination. Okay, let's say kamu tak tahulah macam mana nak buat soalan ni. Kamu boleh guna satu lagi cara. Tapi yang ni ambil masa sedikit lama. Okay, the method you can use if you totally blank, don't know how to do, is you draw the triangle by yourself. Kamu lukislah satu persatu. Tengok jumlah dapat berapa. Okay, contoh macam ni. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, yang ni salah. 3, 4. Okay, you can do like this lah. But it take a lot of time. 5. Okay, so yeah. Terlalu banyak dah. Okay, so yang ni lebih susah lah kaedah ni. Kalau nak lukis satu persatu. Okay, so because your answer is quite high. You have 20 triangle in total. Okay, so it's better if you use the formula. Guna formula lebih senang. Okay, berbanding lukis satu persatu. Okay, so yeah. Clear? Semua jelas untuk all these 3 question? Kalau jelas, kita akan buat soalan-soalan ni. Okay? Practice make perfect. You try more question, you'll come better at combination. Okay? Terutamanya bab ni, latihan sangat penting. Sebab kamu akan tahu cara kamu lihat soalan tu dengan lebih jelas. Okay? Alright. So they tell you that total got 12 player in a netball in the school. So they ask you how many way I can choose 5 player. Okay, got condition. There is 3 attacker and also 2 defender. So guys, macam mana saya boleh pilih yang ni untuk soalan 1A? What is my method? So sebelum tu, adakah ni soalan pilih atau gabungan? Question number 1. Permutation or combination? Keyword. See the keyword. Okay. Okay, lagi orang sama? Okay guys, don't be shocked. Jawapan dia sebenarnya adalah pilih atau permutation. Okay, so why? Okay, semua orang akan tanya sekarang, kenapa gabungan tak boleh? Okay, see the question carefully ya guys. Penyerang 1, penyerang 2, penyerang 3. So guys, susunan penting tak dalam soalan ni? Penting kan? Sebab dia bagi nombor spesifik pada penyerang tu. They give you a specific number. Attacker 1, attacker 2, attacker 3. Ini semua merujuk kepada susunan dia penting. Boleh faham tak guys? So jangan kamu lihat kata kunci, memilih, terus kata gabungan. Jangan. Baca soalan secara penuh dulu. Baru kamu analisis. Sama ada guna pilihan atau gabungan. Okay, don't just direct see the word choose or select. You say combination. Okay, wrong. You must see the structure of the question carefully. Okay, so can anyone tell and see what will be the answer for this one if we're using permutation? I think should be okay, not that difficult. So anyone? Very good. 12p3 times 9p2, correct. Okay, so initially we got 12 orang per main. So 12 is our starting. Ayo, so bad this one. Never mind. Okay, so 12 starting, and then you're choosing 3 attacker. Am I right? 3 penyerang. Okay, so then bila kamu ada total 12, pilih 3. How many we have left guys? Berapa tinggal? 9 kan? 12 minus 3, you get 9. So 9, pilih 2 defender. Okay, so that's why is 12p3 times 9p2. Okay, so final answer, you should get 95040. Okay, this is the final answer. Do you all understand guys? Boleh dapat untuk soalan A? Clear? Okay, very good. Alright, so we look at question B. Question B is more on understanding also. So the question is basically how many ways I can choose. Sorry guys. Wait, accidentally click. Yes, you can refer textbook. Under combination, gabungan. Yang paling awal, gabungan. Okay? Alright, so question B. They ask you how many total way to choose the players to play for a peringkat daerah. So how guys? Soalan B. Adakah kita guna pilihan atau gabungan? Okay, correct. Question B is combination. Okay guys, so what make you say that question B is combination? Can anyone tell me? Mengapa kamu kata gabungan? Soalan B. Very good. Tiada susunan ataupun tiada syarat. Very good. No arrangement or no condition. Guys, try to see the difference between question A and question B. Okay? Question A is very specific. Okay? They give you specific number. Question B is general. They say they want to choose a team for the match. Can you see it? So that's why the specific one, we always use permutation. The not specific one, we use combination. Understand? Okay, so specific, pilihan, tak specific, gabungan. Satu lagi cara untuk kamu identify. Okay, so the jawapan is simply 12, C, 5. Okay, because total 12, choose 5. So that is for question B. Okay, all right. So question number 2, guys. How do we do question number 2? Permutation or combination? Number 2. This one is quite straightforward. I think you can get the correct concept. So anyone? Soalan nombor 2. Pilihan atau gabungan? Yes, gabungan. Very good. Combination. Keyword. The keyword is the way to select. Number of way to select. Bilangan cara memilih. Okay? So you just do 25, C, 3. Okay, so the answer is 2300. 2300. Yes, correct. All right. All right. So for question number 3, guys, what is the method I should use? Permutation or combination? For soalan number 3. So anyone? Question number 3? Yes, correct. You should use the combination method. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so why combination? Because they ask the number of way to select. Okay, bilangan cara memilih. So the answer is 6C4. Okay, so 6C4, answer is 15. That's all. Okay, very straightforward. Okay, so how about question number 4, guys? Okay, so they say that all this letter is the vertices for a regular octagon. So they ask you how many diagonals I can form from the octagon. Okay, so BM boleh baca BM lah. Okay, so how do I do this, guys? Interesting question. Okay, so maybe I draw over here. So they say regular octagon, right? So octagon is 8 sides, correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All of these is same length, sama panjang. Okay, 88 cc sama panjang. Okay, sebab dia mention sekata. Okay, so now guys, they want you to tell how many diagonals we have. Berapa perpenjuru kita boleh buat. So apa maksud perpenjuru, guys? Okay, contoh macam ni. Okay, something like this. Alright. So yeah. Okay, so the question is, I think you have to connect. Wait, let me see. Okay, tak ada apa-apa syarat. So you just need to draw a diagonal only. Dua perpenjuru saja. So guys, do we use permutation or combination untuk soalan yang keempat tu? Pilih atau gabungan. Kita nak bentuk perpenjuru. Yes, combination. Kita guna gabungan. Okay, so total vertices, jumlah bucu untuk octagon 8. Kita akan guna 2 sebab kita nak bentuk perpenjuru. Perpenjuru hanya akan menghubungkan 2 bucu sahaja. Diagonal can only connect 2 maximum. Okay, so that's why 8C2. So if you press calculator, 8C2 equal to 28. Okay guys, so is this my final answer? Is 28 the final answer for this question? Adakah ni jawapan akhir? What do you all think? Yes or no? Okay, so what should I modify to this answer? Apa saya kena ubah?
No.
Ya? So, apa saya kena modify kepada 28? What is the modification? Anyone know? Okay, very good. Kena tolak 8. Okay, so mengapa kamu tolak 8? Boleh bagi sebab tak? Why do we need to minus the 8? Nurul Hidayah, sebab bila kita nak bentuk perpenjuru, perpenjuru akan hubungkan 2 daripada 8 vertex. Okay, untuk octagon. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay guys, this one actually in modern maths you all learn. So guys, kita ada satu rumus untuk kira bilangan perpenjuru, the number of diagonal. Okay, so what is the formula? Okay, so if I remember correctly lah, kalau tak silap, let me try and see first to make sure I am correct. Okay, so the formula is this one. N minus 1 divide 2. Okay? Formula ni kan guys, untuk kira bilangan perpenjuru. Kalau tak silap saya. Sat. Bukan. Yang ni nombor 3. Bukan tolak 1. This formula. Correct? I think this is the formula you all learned before in lower form maths. Number of diagonal. Okay, so basically N2 mewakili bilangan sisi polygon, the number of side of polygon. So you just substitute only. So if you do this method, you will get the answer of 20. Okay guys, are you clear? So sebenarnya kaedah ni guna rumus daripada pilih atur sahaja. Okay, they just modify the formula and get like that. So the formula is actually 8C2, but they modify and become like this. Okay, so if you want to show this method, can also. Okay, kalau kamu tunjuk kaedah ni kan guys, boleh juga. Also can, this one for your answer. Okay, because usually the concept is untuk add maths, kamu boleh guna rumus dari matematik. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, so basically I explain a bit here lah. Teknik menjawab. So maths, add maths. So any formula that you got in maths, kamu boleh apply dalam add maths. Okay, yang ni boleh. Okay, tapi yang ni tak boleh. Add maths formula you cannot use in maths. Okay, strictly cannot, tak boleh. Tapi untuk add maths, kamu boleh guna rumus maths. Okay, so sir, can you repeat why we need to minus 8? Okay, minus 8 is because we got 8 vertices. Am I right? Kita ada 8 perpenjuru. So basically, diagonal, they connect 2 vertices. Am I right? But the question is asking the number of diagonal. Okay, so number of diagonal, we need to minus off 8 vertices because diagonal connect 2 vertices, right? 2 vertices, 1 diagonal. Okay, so if you count everything, you actually connect 8 vertices in total. So we need to minus 8 so that we get the number of diagonal itself. Okay, this value is overestimated a bit. Terlebih besar dah daripada yang nilai sebenar. So that's why kita kena tolak 8. Okay, are you clear? Because one diagonal connect 2 vertices, one shot. Okay, so kita kena tolak 1. Okay, tolak 1 untuk 1 vertex. So 8 vertex, tolak 8 lah. So that's why 28 tolak 8. Clear? Can you all get it guys? So remember the question is asking the number of vertices. Yes, dia terlebih jangka dah nilai tu daripada nilai sebenar. Okay, overestimate. Okay, so yeah, that's why the easier method, right? Kamu guna rumus dalam modern maths, direct boleh dapat jawapan betul. Okay, kalau kamu ingatlah rumus ni, guys, I want to ask you all honestly, do you all still remember this formula you all learn in lower form? Who remember this formula? Type me in the chat box. Siapa masih ingat rumus ni? Got Okay, so for those that remember, you can use this directly to answer the question. No confusion, you will get the answer. Okay, so yeah, clear guys for this question? So this is the fast method to solve question 4. Okay, so we go to the next one. Next question. Okay, so next question, we look on this. Okay, okay, so like permutation, macam pilih atur, kamu ada syarat kan, you have restriction. So combination also got restriction, syarat. Okay, but not so difficult, tak sangat susah. Okay guys, so let's say you got this situation. Okay, so first group, you choose 2 people out of 10 people. Okay, so this is, can anyone tell apa simbol untuk kumpulan 1? What is the symbol we use? Choose 2 people, total 10 people. So we will write, answer is, apa nilai dia? Anyone? What is your value for this one? 10 C2. Correct. Very good. Okay. So now you see kumpulan 2. Yang kedua pula. Okay, so 2 people chosen already. So you left 8 people. Baki 8. So now they say you choose 3 people from 8. So what is the symbol here, guys? For second group, kumpulan kedua, you should have 8 C3. Yes, very good. Okay, third kumpulan, you choose 3 people out of 8, left 5. So they say you choose 5 people from the 5. So 5C5. Okay, so guys, how to find the total weight? Macam mana kira jumlah cara? Just times all this value together. Then you will get the final answer. Okay, so mengapa kita darab, guys? What is the reason we have to times? Can anyone explain? Kenapa kita tak letak simbol tambah? I can also say 10C2 plus 8C3 plus 5C5. Why this one cannot? Why I must put times? Anyone know the reason? Kenapa kena darab? Important point lah, guys. Yang ni penting. Jangan sengaja letak darab saja. Kamu kena tahu kenapa kita letak darab tu. So anyone? Yes, you're right. Correct. And we will usually use the symbol of times, or we will use the symbol of plus. Yes. So basically, your meaning is N means that the situation happened all at the same time. Correct? So if you look at this question, it happened all at the same time. Seluruh situasi ni pada satu masa sahaja. So itu sebab kita kena darab. Boleh faham, guys? So when it happened at the same time, times. When it happened at different time, masa berbeza, plus. Alright? So that is the situation. So usually, right, for gabungan, you will have something like this. Usually your answer. Have you all seen this, guys? Biasanya untuk soalan gabungan, kamu akan tulis macam ni kan? This will be your working step. Am I right? You will separate to 2 bracket, and in the middle, kat tengah-tengah, kamu akan letak simbol tambah. Correct? If you all got try question lah. So anyone know why? Why do we put plus in the middle? Why not I write like this? Kenapa saya tak boleh tulis macam ni? Anyone know? What is the reason behind it? Why must plus in the middle? Cannot times. Try to give like some suggestion. If anyone know. Kenapa kena letak simbol tambah kat tengah-tengah, bukan darab? Okay, can 2 possibilities, or you can say 2 different cases. Okay, 2 case yang berbeza. Okay, so if you have 2 different cases, we always put plus in the middle. Okay, simbol tambah. Kalau case yang sama, okay, very good, Sophia. Because both happens at 2 different time. Very good. That is the correct answer. Okay, so like what I explained earlier. Okay, so make sure you all know when to put times, when to put plus. Okay, sometimes you might confuse. Okay, kadang-kadang rasa macam pelik sikit, tapi kena tahu. Okay, bila nak letak darab, bila nak letak tambah. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so we go to the next one. Okay, so this question, okay, we see this question, guys. So they say that there is a football team, 17 local player and 3 import player. Okay, so the question is, the coach is going to choose 11 people, okay, to take part in a match, and he's taking 2 import player. So they ask you how many ways I can choose the 11 player. Okay, very simple, guys. How to do this type of question? You draw it out. Kamu lukis situasi dia. Okay, so total 17. Okay, so import, I use the symbol I, and local, I use the symbol L. Okay, local dan import. Okay, so tiga import ke? Oh, okay. I wrongly interpret. This one is 20. This one is 17 and 3. Okay, this is our situation. So now you must choose 11. Okay, out of this, choose 11. Alright? So this is the situation. And they say that you must take 2 per mine import. So 2i. Alright. So how do we do this, guys? What is the equation we can think of? Anyone can give your answers? What is the total number of way? If better, you write out your equation for me. So that easier to check. Kamu tulis persamaan yang kamu guna. 3C2, itu sahaja ke? Kamu nak pilih
3C2 and 17C9.
Okay. All right. Okay, let's check and see. Okay, so yes, 3C2 times 17C9. Correct. So basically, you got total 3 import player, 3. You want to choose only 2 in your team. So 3C2. All right. And then the remainder, you need to choose 11, right? Total player is 11 in your team. Basic, right, guys? Bola sepak kena ada 11 orang kan dalam satu pasukan. Who don't know this fact? Who don't know football team must have 11 people? Can you type me in the comment box? Siapa tak tahu benda ni? Pasukan bola sepak kena ada 11 orang. Jangan kamu rasa pelik tahu. Akan ada orang tak tahu yang ni. That's why saya tanya. Sebab yang ni common sense. Kalau kamu tak ada yang ni, tak boleh jawab soalan ni. You cannot answer. Okay, because you must understand there are 11 people in a football team. 11 orang. Okay, so that's why 11 minus 2 import, 9 local. So that's why C9. Okay, so jangan kamu tiba-tiba kata 10 orang saja. Kesian penjaga gol tu. Tak ada penjaga gol bagi pasukan kamu. Kamu main dengan gawang yang terbuka. Okay, selalu kena balas gol. So, yeah, make sure kamu dapat jumlah betul. Okay, jangan terlebih pula. Nanti lebih lawak. Okay, 12 orang, satu pasukan. Okay, ada satu hantu main untuk pasukan kamu. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so the answer is 3C2 times 17C9. Okay, so you can get total 72930. Okay, final answer. Okay, so yeah. Clear, guys? For this question, can get the answer? Senang kan gabungan? I already told you, combination very easy, very straightforward. As long that you know that question is combination, kamu akan dapat betul dah, usually. Usually people salah because dia salah guna simbol. Simbol P atau simbol C sahaja. Okay, that is the common mistake. Alright, so yeah. Okay, so for this question, okay, this one a bit confusing. Okay, so they say that got 3 motifs for batik. Okay, so from 4 organic motif and 5 geometry motif. Okay, so the situation is something like this. 5 geometry, wait, 5 geometry, 4 organic. Okay, so total is 9. So T9. And then I divide into these two. Okay. So the question is, you have to choose 3 batik total. Okay, so choose 3. Okay, kamu pilih 3. And the question is, at least one must be organic and at least one must be geometry. Okay, so kamu kena ada sekurang-kurangnya 1G dan 1O. Okay, guys, how to answer this question? This question is one level higher, satu level lagi lebih tinggi. Sebab yang ni ada beberapa case yang kamu kena consider. There are a few case. Okay, so guys, if you refer this one, very simple. You just draw a table. Okay, one is for geometry, one is for organic. Okay, so you just need table. Okay, so G, O. Okay, guys, can you all tell? First case, berapa G, berapa O? How many geometry, how many organic? If I have to follow this condition. So first, Can anyone tell what is the combination? You must have total 3, yeah? Total of 3 geometry plus with organic. So what is the possible arrangement I can do? So anyone? Boleh bagi case?
2 organic, 1 geometry.
Okay, very good. Adakah ni sahaja? Or got some more
Uh,
case?
yang second one, terbalikkan. 2
Very good.
geometry and 1 organic.
Very good. Correct. Okay, so there are total 2 case. Okay guys, saya tanya satu soalan. Boleh tak saya letak 3 geometri, kosong organik? Boleh tak? Sebab jumlah masih 3 kan? Very
Uh,
good. Okay, you all understand. Because the question say it must be greater or equal to 1. Kena lebih besar atau sama dengan 1. So you must have at least 1. So 3-0 is wrong. 0-3 also wrong. Cannot have 0. Tak boleh ada kosong. Okay, so the answer is this one. Okay, so only 2 case. So you got 4 let me check. 4 geometry. Sorry, 4 organic. You choose 2. 5 geometry. Choose 1. Okay, terbalik. 4 organic. Choose 1. 5 geometry. Choose 2. So you add up both of the answer. Tambah dua-dua. Then you will get your final answer. Okay, make sure plus in the middle, guys. Kena simbol tambah. So the answer is 70. Okay, clear, guys, for this question? Crystal clear? So yeah, this is basically all about combination lah. So now we will try some question as practice on combination. We already finished actually combination, dah habis gabungan. All of that is the example. Okay, so yeah, so now they say got 5 books, 5 buah buku. Okay, and they want to divide it to 3 orang murid and also 2 orang murid. Okay, so that is the concept. Sorry, dia dibagikan kepada 3 orang murid saja. Okay, lepas tu daripada 3 orang murid tu, 2 murid, 2 student will get 2 book. Okay, while the other student will only get 1 book. Okay, so how many way I can divide all these books? So how should I do this? What is the approach? Or you can tell me final answer. This question is slightly confusing because of the sentence structure. Because they say like total 5 people, they divide to 3 people, 5 books, and then 2 people get 2 book, 1 person get 1 book. So how should I do this? So anyone can think of a solution for this question? Kalau boleh kamu type persamaan untuk soalan satu ni. You show me your equation. Or final answer also can. So anyone? Do you get the answer for question 1? Jangan fikir terlalu susah. Don't think too difficult. Sometimes when you overthink, your answer will be wrong. Jangan overthink. Fikir macam biasa saja soalan ni. Kamu akan dapat jawapan. Jangan terlebih fikir. Terlebih fikir nanti salah. Confirm. Okay? Just think as a normal question. Number 1. Okay, yang ni dah terlebih fikir dah. 500 terlalu banyak. Okay? Some more people? Lagi orang? Boleh bagi jawapan? Soalan 1. What is your number of combination? Okay, interesting. Okay, so the correct answer is actually 30. Jawapan dia 30. Okay guys, the correct answer you should get is 30. Okay, so how to approach the question? So total they say, okay, I explain. 5 books, right? Total 5 buku. Okay, so means that n is equal to 5. Okay, then they say 2 murid akan dapat 2 buku. Jangan hiraukan yang ni. Okay, jangan lihat yang ni. 3 orang murid. Don't see that one. Okay, you look at the sentence after it. you stop here. Okay. So they say 2 orang murid akan mendapat 2 buku. So guys, this first sentence over here, what should I write? 5 C 2. Correct? 5 C 2 kan? Okay, because 5 books, 2 people. Okay, second part. 1 murid get 1 book. So means that 5 books, choose 2. Berapa baki guys? 5 buku, saya dah pilih 2. Yes, very good. So the remainder is 3. So you times with 3 C 1. Okay? Are you all clear? Boleh dapat? So the answer is 5 C 2 times 3 C 1 only. The answer is 30. Okay, 30. Are you all clear, guys? So the answer you should get is actually 30 for this question. Okay? So yeah. All right. So question number 2. Okay, so can you all try and see question number 2? How do we solve it? So this one is exam question. So definitely combination. Wow, so fast. 3C2 times 6C4. Okay, this question quite straightforward. Okay, so basically you have to answer 2 questions out of total 3. So it's 3C2 and also 4 questions out of 6 questions. So 6C4. So 3C2 times 6C4. So boleh dapat jawapan. Alright. So this is question 2. So answer should be 45 untuk soalan kedua. Okay, soalan ketiga, more difficult a bit. Okay, so they say got 5 lelaki, 6 wanita. Okay, 5 boys, 6 girls, and then they must choose 7 pekerja, 7 worker. So they ask you that there is 1 male and 2 female. So how do I solve the question? This one, 3A. You can tell final answer also. So they say they choose all the boy and 2 of the girl. And then you
15.
got, okay, very good. Yes, the answer is 15. 5C5 times 6C2. Yes, very good. Okay, so basically 5 male, choose 5. So 5C5. 6 female, choose 2. 2 orang wanita. So the answer is 15. Okay, so now you all look at question B. Question B is interesting. Okay, so they say that sekurang-kurangnya 5 orang graduan wanita. So at least 5 of women get the job. So how many case we have here, guys? Can you all think and see? Total is 7, 7 worker. So again, how to answer this type of question? Use the table like I did for just now. Okay, so you write, I use male, female, easier. Okay, one is male and the other one is female. Okay, so first case, can anyone tell me? Case 1, 5C1 times 6C6. Okay, very good. Okay, correct. Wait, the second one wrong. First one is, first one also wrong. Okay, try to check again and see. Okay, so basically, they say that at least 5 female, right? So kurang-kurangnya 5. So means that female is 5, male is 2. Am I right? That is your first case. Okay, so female you put 5, male you put 2. Okay, never mind lah. I read out to you. Okay, female 5, male 2. Second case, female 6, male 1. Okay, so you can only say 5 female, 2 male, 6 female, 1 male. Can I say 7 female, 0 male, guys? Yes or no? 7 perempuan, 0 lelaki. Is this a case? Very good. Cannot. Okay, so why cannot? Because you got only total 6 female. So 6 is your maximum number for female. Tak boleh lebih dari 6 perempuan. Okay, so 7 and 0 tak boleh. Walaupun lelaki boleh, 0 lelaki, tapi perempuan tak cukup orang. Okay, so the answer is this one. Okay, you can check the answer. Okay, so you will have like this, two case. Okay guys, are you all clear for this question? Boleh dapat? Very good. Okay guys, so now we see the last 5 question for today on combination. Okay, so this first question is the most interesting one I want to discuss with you all. Okay guys, focus all of you over here. Not easy, tak senang. Proving question. Okay, soalan buktikan rumus. Okay, so guys, if you get this kind of question in the exam, let's say ini soalan exam kamu, how are you going to start? Macam mana kamu nak mula yang ni? Tell me, where are you going to start? Which part? Adakah kamu akan mula dari sini ataupun sini? Which part are we going to start? Anyone know? Siapa tahu? Usually in proving question, you must either start from left hand side or right hand side. Kamu kena pilih salah satu belah persamaan untuk mula. Okay, so all your answer is correct. You say left is correct, right also correct. Tak ada cara yang salah. Semua cara adalah betul untuk soalan buktikan. Tapi kita kena lihat mana yang lebih senang. Okay, which one is easier and less time. Okay, kurang masa. So basically, my advice is kamu buat dari belah yang lebih susah pergi kepada belah yang lebih senang. You do from complex to simple. Itu lebih mudah berbanding yang bertentangan. Okay? So yeah. Okay guys. So if you look at this, right? Which one do you think is harder? A or B? Kamu rasa bahagian mana lebih susah antara dua yang ni? What do you all think? Yes, very good. So that's why we will start the question from B and try to prove it to A. Okay, that is the concept we use. Okay, some of you will be very insisting that you will say that, can I do from A to B? Yes, definitely can. No problem. But it's harder for you. You can try and see. If you're very adventurous, you like to try, kamu nak mencuba sesuatu baru, I challenge you. You try to do this way, A to B. Still can get the answer, but longer time. Okay, and a bit harder. Okay, so I will show B to A because usually in the exam we want to do something that is the easiest, right? Kita nak buat benda yang cepat bagi kita jawapan. So that is the concept we use. Okay, so how do we modify this formula, guys? NC n minus R. Looks very complex, right? But again, use back the formula given, okay, which is the basic one. Okay, so over here, NCN minus R, basically you can see over here. Okay, so how to modify it? Okay, so first step, you are going to use the combination formula. Okay, so basically in this, N is equal to N. Okay, guys, can you all tell me R is equal to what for this one? R sama dengan nilai apa? Very good. N minus R. Very good. Okay, you're not confused. Remember, guys, for this question, your R value is the whole thing at the bottom. N minus R. So means that R factorial, you must substitute with N minus R factorial. Okay? And the second part, N minus R, this R, you substitute with N minus R factorial. Boleh dapat, guys? So make sure kamu gantikan yang ni. Jangan gantikan R sahaja masuk. Is N minus R. Okay? So then you just expand as usual. Kembangkan. Okay, and simplify. You will get this step. Okay, until over here. Okay, so basically you already proved the formula. Can you all see it, guys? This formula is equal to NCR. Correct? Because the question give you this one. Soalan dah bagi info yang ni. So means that if you get this, you already proven lah. Kamu dah buktikan is equal to NCR. Senang tak, guys? Easy, right? If I start from B, go to A. If A to B, it will become longer. Dia jadi lebih panjang because you're going the opposite way. If you use method A to B, right? Kamu kena buat yang ni secara terbalik. Means that you start over here, kamu kena dapat yang ni. Susah kan? Kamu kena fikir banyak. You must think a lot how to get the equation. So that's why kita buat cara ni lebih senang. Okay? So yeah, it depend on your perspective lah. Bergantung jenis orang kamu. Kalau kamu seorang yang nak mencuba, yang sesuatu yang mencabar, kamu akan buat terbalik lah. Okay, tapi jarang lah orang macam ni. Okay, very rare. Okay, so we try question 2 now. Question 2 easier, Di. This is more on the type of question in exam you will see. Okay, so they say that got 5 member that they must choose from 5 male, 3 female. Okay, so they ask you how many guys, saya buka mic kan. Azri, mungkin kamu kena naikkan volume. Okay, mic saya dah buka. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so they ask you first part, no restriction. So how should I do this, guys? They want to choose a committee. Okay, so you got total of 8, 5 male, 3 female. You want to choose 5 people. So the answer is, for part A, very simple. Yes, 8 C5 only. So you should get 56 as your answer. Okay, very good. Okay, part B, they say 3 male, 2 female. So how should do this one? Very standard also. Should be able to get. So your answer will be total 5 male, you choose 3 male. 5 lelaki, pilih 3, 3 perempuan, pilih 2. So this is the answer for part B. So you should get equal to 30 orang. Okay, this one is 30. Okay, clear guys? So this is for part B. Okay, part C guys. How many case we have here? Berapa case kita ada? Mengandungi tidak lebih daripada seorang perempuan. Very good. 2 cases. Okay, so you can draw the table again. Male, female. Okay, you must understand the word, guys. Not more than 1 female. Okay, so if you have this word, tidak lebih daripada, what is the inequality symbol? Apa simbol ketaksaman untuk soalan B? Not more than. So not more than means that less than or equal to. Ada sama dengan tau. Kena ada sama dengan. Okay? Not more than atau tidak lebih daripada, kena sama dengan. So means that perempuan boleh jadi kosong, perempuan boleh jadi 1. So 2 case. Okay? So basically you will have 5 C4 because 5 male choose for 1 and also 5 0. Okay, because perempuan hanya boleh ada kosong atau 1 sahaja. Okay, so first case you can have 5 male choose 4 and then 4 female 3 female choose 1. Okay, first case. Second case, kamu boleh ada 5 male and then choose 5 and 3 female choose 0. Okay, clear guys? So this is your 2 case. 2 case yang kamu ada. So total you should get 16 for part C. Okay, clear guys? For question 2, boleh buat? Very standard lah. The process is very standard one. It's just how you interpret the question only is important. Different people will interpret different. That's why I got many answer for this chapter. Ada banyak jawapan. Tapi satu saja akan betul lah. Only one answer is right. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So for question 3, they say got 5 ahli. You need to pilih 4 swimmer, 3 non-swimmer, and they say that the number of swimmer must be more than the number of non-swimmer. Okay, so again, same concept. You draw the table. Okay, always when you see this type of word, right guys, kamu nampak ketaksamaan kat situ, kamu lukis jadual. Sangat senang untuk lihat. Okay, so untuk perenang, saya guna S. Untuk bukan perenang, saya guna NS. Okay, swimmer and non-swimmer. Okay, so basically, kamu kena ada 5 orang. Okay, so berapa case kamu ada guys kat sini? What is the total cases you can have? You got 4 swimmer and 3 non-swimmer. So first case, what is the value I should have? Anyone? First case, you will have berapa swimmer and berapa bukan swimmer. So first one is 4. Yes, very good. 4-1. Okay, 4 swimmer, 1 non-swimmer. Second case? Yes, very good. 3-2. Okay, guys, can I say 2-3? Yes or no? 2 swimmer, 3 non-swimmer. Very good. Okay, because they say that swimmer must be more than non-swimmer. Okay, now I ask you another question. Can swimmer be 5? Non-swimmer 0? Yes or no? 5-0. Boleh tak? 5 perenang, 0 bukan perenang. Yang ni boleh tak untuk soalan ni? Very good. Cannot also. Why cannot? Sebab kamu hanya ada 4 orang perenang. Macam mana boleh tiba-tiba 5 perenang? Okay, dah melebihi jumlah yang ditetapkan. Okay, so the answer is only these two. Okay, 2 case. Alright, so you should have this answer. Okay, this one. So for this question is 4C4 times 3C1 plus 4C3 times 3C2. Okay, guys? Clear on the question? So you should get 15 total way. All right? Okay, second last question already. Okay, so they say ujian matematik. So when soalan come out, ujian matematik, okay, usually the question is easy, not that difficult. Okay, for the question regarding tests, it's quite straightforward. For combination, gabungan, you can get the answer quite easy. Okay, so they say that got 10 question, 10 soalan, 4 trigo, 6 algebra. Okay, this is the condition. And they say that can only answer 8. All right, so they say that how many ways he can answer at least 4 of algebra. Okay, so again, when you see this word, apa simbol guys? Sekurang-kurangnya, at least, what is our inequality sign? You should have greater than or equal to. Okay, ini adalah simbol ketaksamaan. Okay, so kita kena lukis jadual. Algebra trigo. Okay, so they say sekurang-kurangnya 4 algebra. So 4 algebra, 4 trigo. Okay, so next case, maybe I can say 5 algebra, 3 trigo. Okay, next case, 6 algebra, 2 trigo. Okay guys, boleh tak saya kata 7 algebra, 1 trigo? Yes or no? 7 algebra, 1 trigo. Cannot. Very good. Okay, because kamu hanya ada 6 soalan algebra. Only 6 max. Okay, so yeah. So this question you got 3 case. Okay, so the answer is this one. Combination question, right guys? Usually they like to ask like this. 2 case, 3 case. You must just find the possible pairing. Kamu cari pasangan dia saja. Berapa case kamu akan dapat? Okay, so the answer is 45. Senang tak guys? Kamu semua kata bab ni susah kan? Tak susah sebenarnya. It's not difficult. It's all about how you interpret the question and use the correct formula. Guna rumus betul. 2 things only you all need to know. Okay, and try more trial question. Cuba banyak soalan percubaan berkenaan bab ni. Kamu akan master dah. Yes, sure. Question 4, right? Okay, so you should get 45 final answer. Clear guys? Soalan 4. Okay, so we go to the last question for today. Right on time. Chun masa dia. Okay, exactly on time. Okay, so they got 12 visitors. Okay, so they say how many ways again? Okay, so they say got 3 cars, and then one car, it carry 4 people. Okay, this one a bit complex, huh? So this one you must analyze a bit carefully. So guys, how to do 5A? Try and see. This question not so straightforward. Tak sangat jelas yang ni. Tapi I think you all can do it for 5A. Read the question carefully. So basically you got 12 visitor, they got 3 car, each car 4 people. So how can I find the number of way? If you got final answer, you can direct tell for 5A. We all challenge ourselves guys. Tengok semua orang boleh bagi jawapan betul tak untuk soalan 5A. See whether all can get correct answer. I won't say anything. Kita bagi chance. Semua orang jawab dulu. Then saya kata siapa betul, siapa salah. So you all try first. Everyone try. Sebanyak mungkin. Semua orang cuba 5A. Since it's the last question. You all try and see what answer you get. Guys, yakin sikit dengan jawapan kamu. Guys, dalam exam kamu akan tulis 3, 4, 6, 5, 0 lepas tu tanda soal ke? Lepas kamu jawab soalan exam. Takkan, right? Okay, kamu akan tulis jawapan tetap. Okay, jangan pula kamu tulis macam ni. Okay, let's say kamu marah dengan examiner. Kamu tulis macam ni. Kamu bagi banyak simbol factorial kat dia. Habislah guys. If you write like this, right? Your answer wrong, you know. You know why? Factorial got meaning, you know. Kamu tekan calculator. 34650 factorial. Your answer is greater than 34650 already. So if you want to show angry also in mathematics, be careful. This sign means factorial, you know. So means that it's a different answer compared to what is your feeling. Okay. So yeah, be careful a bit. Okay, so let's check and see all the answer. Yang lain, if you still got answer, you can share. Okay, so let me start. Okay, Devi Wadna, correct. Shade Zikri, wrong. Shafi, correct. Rihanna, wrong. Legend of Snowboy, correct. Zulkifli, correct. And Enox Metal, correct. Shade Zikri, still wrong. Hidayah, correct. Okay, very good. Okay, the answer is 34650. Okay, very good guys. Sangat bagus. So the answer you should get is 34650. Although not 100%, is greater than 50% correct already. Okay, so yeah. So you should get something like this. Okay, so it's 12 C4 because each kereta, one car, 4 people. So total you got 12. First car, this is first. Okay, so 4 people enter. Second car, remainder 8. 12 minus 4, you got 8 people. You choose 4 again. Okay, then you repeat. Third car, you got remainder 4, choose 4 people. So 4 C4. So this is the answer. Can understand guys? Clear? For 5A? Okay. So now you all try 5B and C. All of you try. Semua cuba. Soalan terakhir. What is your answer? Remember guys, I looking for the most accurate answer, not the most fast answer. Saya nak jawapan paling tepat, bukan jawapan paling pantas. So some more. 37 people here. Try and see. 5B. Let's get the record. Semua betul. Okay. So saya check one by one. Okay. So first is Alia, correct. Legend of Snowboy, correct. Jolene, correct. Devi Ratna, correct. Rihanna, correct. Taniska, correct. Nur Dania, correct. Zulkifli, correct. Uh, Muzai, correct. Shade Zikri, correct. Hidayah, correct. Enox Meto, correct. Atika, correct. Bombshell, correct. Jajet, correct. Afika, correct. Wow, very good. Alia, correct. 100%, guys. First time. 100% correct. Very good. Okay, so the answer is 924. Not bad. Okay, so the answer is 12C6 times 6C6. Okay, so answer is 924 total weight. Okay, guys, are you all clear with the lesson today? So today we officially finish chapter 4, permutation and combination. Okay, gabungan. Clear? Not tough, right? I'm sure you can get it this chapter. This chapter usually paper 1 for admits. They like to ask kertas 1. Biasanya lah. Usually paper 2 very rare this question. So just focus on paper 1 for this topic. Okay, make sure you can score at least 8 marks. Usually the question is total 8 marks for paper 1. Maybe it is section A if not mistaken. Okay, so yeah, you can try some past SPM question also. Soalan SPM sebenar, they got some tough question on this chapter. They keluar a lot of hard question on permutation and combination. So yeah, practice make perfect lah. For admits, if you want to improve, practice make perfect only. Yeah, so anyone of you here like so far admits steady, get A every time? Any one of you here can share? Siapa admits dia so far lah consistent A? A minus, A or A plus? Siapa macam tu? Anyone here? 37 people? Boleh comment me kalau ada. If got people like so far all A lah. None, right? Tak ada kan? That's why I say admits very hard to get A. But other grade usually like B I think can lah. But A is a bit hard. So that's why you must do a lot of practice. Kena buat banyak latihan. Alright? So yeah. Okay? Any other question guys that you want to ask? I know you will ask tips for admits, right? Setiap orang akan tanya yang tu. Apa tips nak buat untuk admits? How to score? Am I right? All of you want to ask that question. Correct? So basically the tip is buat banyak latihan saja. Okay, just do continuous practice. Then you will get the hang of it. Okay? So yeah. Hopefully anyone here finish admits trial? All of you here? Siapa dah habis trial admits? Can you share? Not yet ah? Belum habis? Oh, a lot not yet lah. Okay, interesting. Means that, how to say this? Still a lot of people not yet lah. Wow. Next week. Oh, okay, so good luck lah for those having their trial especially. Because trial is important to score lah, in my opinion. Okay, it's good if you can score very good